A year ago, Fleur Allen from Ask Fleur kept hearing the same thing in the business community. It's tough out there. With rising interest rates and living costs, many felt stretched emotionally and financially. Whether seasoned pros or just getting by, the sentiment was clear. I'm doing everything and still feel behind. Fleur knew she had to do more than just one-to-one coaching, so she created the Success Community. She also applied for a local business grant from the town of Victoria Park. The goal? To create pathways for business owners to grow with clarity and support. We're proud to say Ask Fleur has received funding from the town of Victoria Park. This means more spots in our Boost Your Business workshops for locals. Easier access to Success Community events for business owners in Vic Park and surrounding areas. We're investing in community leadership and practical tools for growth. This isn't just for local businesses, it's for our entire Success Community. We're building a diverse network of professionals seeking growth in profit, purpose, and connection. Whether you're in Victoria Park or beyond, this support is about making quality coaching accessible. Join us in fostering a thriving business community that lifts each other up at askfleur.com/boostyourbusiness, supported by Town of Victoria Park.